In this video, we are going to discuss about the Nifty and Banknifty analysis for 11th August 2022, and the day would be Thursday, which is also a weekly expiry. So let's start with Nifty first. You can see Nifty has closed above the high of yesterday's close, and if we zoom these levels, you can see that there was a window that has been filled here, and now it is going up. The next resistance could be at 1800 in the coming days. So Nifty is looking bullish as of now, and the next levels that can come is 18,000 in coming days. So if we look at 1 hour chart, then you can see that though it is looking quite a bit range bound, but still it is slowly and steadily it's going up. So it's looking bullish, and RSI is also near 60, probably to take a support, which is also in the trend line. So that way it is still bullish looking forward. On 15-minute chart, you can see that it is kind of following a trend line like this, and there is a resistance at this level. RSI has taken a resistance at 60, and a sharp fall came from here, so this level is going to act as resistance. And tomorrow being the expiry, so we can expect some range movement. So 17440 is going to act as support. So if it opens flat and comes down this level, we can sell, keeping some 20-25 point stop loss, keeping our target not much but around 17440. And if this level is taken out, then we can buy, and our target would be near 17600, and 20-25 point stop loss we can keep. So that is what it's showing in the chart. Then look at option chain data. On options chain data, we can see that huge call has been written on 17600 level, whereas there is not much put. You can see that 27,900 around calls has been written today, whereas on the put side only 7,899. This clearly shows that the call side is heavy, which means that 17,600 is going to act as a strong resistance. So 17,643 is going to act as a strong resistance on the upside, and if we look on the downside, then 17,500, 17,400, these levels are looking to as support. So as we can see that from the chart data, that 17,440 is going to act as a resistance, act as support. So if we go further down, then 17,370 could act as a low for tomorrow, whereas on the upside you can see there is numerous call right on every higher level. So 17,643 could be the high. So expect Nifty to trade between 17,370 and 17,643 tomorrow, but if this level is taken out, then we can expect 17,800 levels to come, but that is only if a 1 hour candle closes above 17,643, then we can expect 17,800 level tomorrow. Otherwise it will be volatile session between 17,370 and 17,643. Now let's look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is also looking bullish. Here was a window resistance that is completely filled up, and there is a long wick, that means buying pressure came. It was a resistance, it closed, but it's kind of a doji. It's a pure doji pattern with equal length of the wick. So it may be range bound before going up because it's looking bullish, and 39,000 levels could come very soon. Now if we go into the 1 hour chart, you can see that though it went up and it's slowly steadily coming down, but the candles are very small. So if it starts going up, then we can expect some sudden sharp move, whereas RSI is also taking support at 60. On the downside, every lower level will act as a support. So 13,800 is going to act as support, and 38,400 is going to act as resistance. Below this we can sell, and above this we can buy. That is for on the 1 hour chart basis. Now if we look at 15-minute chart, then you can see that it's kind of a range bound. It's completely trading inside a box. Anything that will happen above 38,400 or below 38,200, or we can go a bit lower and 38,100 level. So 38,100 on the downside and 38,400 on the upside. This will be a zone of indecision, above which a move can come, and below this a move can come. Then also there is support at 38,000, which is unlikely to be broken very soon, and the RSI is also at an indecisive place. It can go and test 60 level, or it can come down and test 40 level. So expect a volatile session tomorrow as far as the data is concerned. Unless some news hits, it's going to be a volatile session. Now let's look at the option chain data, what it says. The option chain data, as it says, that 38,500 level has seen huge open interest and huge call writings has been there. Now this 38,300, 400, 500, all this level calls has been shorted, and huge call write is seen at 38,500 level. So we can expect 38,500 to be a strong resistance, or 38,602 or 605. These levels can be a top for tomorrow. Now if we look on the downside, on the support, there is not much support in these levels. We see 30,000 call right versus only 12,000 put right, and we can see that on 38,000 level we can see the maximum value of put has been written. So we can expect a 910 on the downside and 38,605 on the upside. So this could be the range in which Bank Nifty might be trading tomorrow. That is a volatile range, about 700 point range, but that's what I can see, that 38,000 on the lower side and 38,500 on the higher side. So this is as per the option chain data. So 37,910 and 38,605, or you can consider it 620. So this is the range in which Bank Nifty is expected to trade tomorrow. So I hope you enjoy this analysis, and remember, this is only for educational purpose. I'm not a savvy analyst, and all this for educational purposes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.